vlog. Racing action going down. Tune in, check it out on YouTube. Subscribe or fuck you.
You want niggas to respect you, get your muscle up. Tell them niggas they get at you, stay down, run it up. Bitches looking down on you cause you ain't bossing up. You don't want no problems, ask that bitch how much it cost to fuck. Hellcat came with heels, them bitches know I'm super lit. Slave master shit, the youngest going cash out on the whip. All my VVs having clarity, nigga, I ain't go to net. We all know what's on my neck, but I got seats there on my wrist. See, I do too much, I get a thrill when I be popping shit. Bitches claim they fuck with me, but I know all these hoes be slick. Try to tell all that makeup on her face, that shit ain't it. Told Future take the lamb and put a wide bite on that bitch. Caucasian bitch, snort coke up over my dick. No born shit, we be turning hoes up, grand the witch.
Oh, we're hitting it up for
in
sure.
the vlog? No way.
Cody
We're down,
Simpson?
guys. We're down, though. Let's get it, baby.
Let's get it, baby.
Let's get it.
What the fuck happened to the beam on, dude?
And it broke it.
Hate it! Are you serious right now?
Serious.
Break them babies loose! Break them loose! What's it? What you got? What you got going on right here? What's this right here?
That's the new Junk Boys hoodie.
Oh yeah.
My high.
Alright, bro.
Pants gotta go back down to the fucking to the knees.
Shit.
Oh, let me grab the milk.
You got the milk? Oh, for sure. Yo, hold on, bro. Nah. This guy's a fucking menace, bro.
Oh, dude, I did it the wrong way.
It's like...
Yeah, this whole box is gonna. I am hungry.
I'd say it's pretty exquisite.
I should gas. Oh shit.
Where the bike's at? Oh, Jeremy's going by himself. I know he's rolling out like that. Fuck. How about this one, Jeremy?
I'm talking about. Prime motherfucking time.
Look at those whoopie boobs.
They're fun. Don't get me wrong.
Ooh, it's a chippy one. Exclusive.
Nobody can get these ones. That's all I gotta say. Nobody will ever get these ones. Different ones though. Coming soon.
Oh, knees? I don't know how I'm feeling about those.
Dude, it's a chippy McNippy.
Well, good thing.
Right now?
Last day in LACR ever. Dude, we needed this guy.
Dude, they pussy whipped this fucking shit.
Dude, I know. It's like, so gay now.
I feel so much cooler than that
It's
jump.
not even a jump.
Yeah. The vet track is probably better.
Oh, don't say that. Don't say that. Got a little bit of headwind, huh? Track is looking pristine. Fresh water. Nice grade. 9 o'clock open. Should be open right now.
Are you gonna ride? Yeah, hell yeah.
And then they drink a 12-pack.
Ooh, she's thirsty. That's from the last weekend riding. We did Papa Wheelies.
Papa Willies?
Yeah, we were doing pop 'em ups and pop 'em downs, coming rounds, all the fun stuff.
All the fun stuff.
He's a
ones I use for my kids are the best ones.
Which ones do you want?
Fuck, dude, give me that fucking boil one. That's why I like being an operator, because I fucking cut myself when I use fucking tools. Dude, my knuckles, I've busted them all up on all my hydrants.
Yep.
Knuckle buster, huh?
Knuckle buster.
Oh, yeah.
Bit muddy, eh?
Dude, fuck that other two-stroke rider.
I can't have you out here anymore.
Wow.
Sure. I get it too. I figured that was gonna happen.
I'm gonna grab on your nipples. You already know how these ones go. I mean, it's a yellow box. I would expect it to be something special. Oh, you got your work vest on?
Oh, it's gotta be serious.
It's gotta be. See, you gotta make sure you got everything on, huh?
Make sure this is serious. You gotta have your nipple protectors on. Fucking super fucking Nintendo, dude. It's a Super Nintendo. Do you need one of these?
I might need it.
What you did is put it on your pee toe like this when you go pee.
Really? And it holds it for you?
It holds it for you. You don't even
Swear to
gotta touch
God.
it. You ain't even gotta wash your hands afterwards.
Really?
But this one's a little tough because it's missing the rubber clamp, so it's metal.
Oh, that's not very. Oh, that one kind of hurts.
It hurt. Yellow box was a success.
I might need to go in there, bro. You ready for this? Oh, dude, I just keistered this. Fucking build some lips at the Chipotle, you know? What are you doing over there? We need to get to work. Back just rolled up. That's a man right there. Whoa, big guy. You got this, dude? We're looking over here, Jim.
We're good?
Good?
Yeah.
Yeah?
We're good.
You doing homework over here? Seems like you know what you're doing, though.
Not really. We put our tile on the ground.
What do you think? Not like 4x4. Oh yeah, he says it's fucking so solid, dude. Great conversation with this guy. He loves conversation. He loves talking. You know, very good guy.
Yeah, don't you have a black one? I don't think the other one. Yeah, I sent in the black one. That's a myth.
over here. He's so upset. But he had to put full motion into his honking signal. Side piece.
Side piece?
Man.
You don't got a side piece.
I ain't got shit, homeboy. Not yet.
Get that shit to go. Because we need to fucking go.
Dude, we do need to fucking go. You look sunburned already. You good?
It's probably because all the alcohol I drank last night. I'm red-faced.
A2, baby. Let's go.
I don't know what you guys are doing.
Obviously, we're not on par with you.
What's Miles doing?
Well, Miles
Fucking
thinks-
powder in his nose?
Probably, dude.
Changing his...
Ain't nothing to do about it.
Changing his... Hey, what's going on? I had to get myself ready real quick, dude. I had to throw the hair in the bun real quick so my, my hoodie could stay in the place where it's at.
Dave's hot chicken now.
Bro,
Dave's hot chicken, homeboy.
People down here haven't made it up.
who the fuck would know that they would have a Dave's Hot Chicken here, bro?
And then that made him feel kind of poopy.
What's new?
We have made it to Anaheim. We got guys completely stoking on top of the van life.
Tracy rolling in. We're inside California doing big things out here at the Triple Challenge.
Oh, and it's 420 right now.
Check out Cincy's, dude. That's OG right there.
Film the filmer.
I don't like filming the
Not
filmer.
filming the film.
It's pain in the back. That's OG cat. He runs all this stuff. Whole interview right now. We're over here filming the filmers out here. That's how factory we're getting. One day, man. We got the juniors. These are literally the future champions.
Hey, fish bump.
Straight G's.
Less warning, teenage boys, they're jacked and boring. We really need to see this girl. We never
We got Buddy. Might steal a couple snacks from him. Who you going for? Predictions for tonight.
For 450s, bro, I got Anderson.
Anderson all day, huh?
250s, bro. Do we have to say? I don't even think we have to say, bro, but it's cool, bro. Like, we'll figure it out, you know what I'm saying?
We'll see what happens.
What up, Anaheim 2, baby? It's live, Triple Crown tonight. We're right here live on the vlog. Racing action going down. Tune in, check it out on YouTube, subscribe, or fuck you.
Let's go. Whole crowd is loving it. got through the races. Tomac ended up having a big one. Shit, Anderson held third though.
I told you, Anderson's always the person to do it.
There's like way too many people for this.
Give him the good old dick twist, dude. Look at, yeah, get it. Yeah. Oh! That was a good one. That was a good one.
Okay, now I can enjoy my fucking shit. What the fuck is going on?
Hey, I think if you just go like 5, 6, or 9 more inches, you got that.
Dude, this is it's so hard.
That guy's a fucking douchebag. I just broke my ankle. But it's already casted, so it's okay.
Can I drive? No. Enduro out here, huh?
Fucking 50-50.
I'm barefoot. Don't run me over, bro. Watch your TikTok.
Stupid ass phone.
Both of them are fucking insane. What if you?
Reagan, have you not caught on to the fact that he doesn't give a fuck?
What? What if I what? Proposition? I'm gonna ride away, watch.
Get that on my face.
You got your ass.
You ready, Happy?
Dude, this 5 so many chances now.
Dude, the sound of it. I hope it's really there. Whoa. Top left. Right here. There's a little red mark. Not the best feeling in the world. Cup pong trick shots, ready? But this time, I'm using a fucking cup. Wow.
It ain't even a mess, it's all wrapped up. How's this bug bed?
Like a little bit of French fry, a little bit of ranch. Can't tell you no.
Oh. There's no evidence of that piece of cheese, dude.
Okay, I'm not with that now, bro. There's too much cheesiness going on.
Chocolate.